Hey everyone, welcome back. Because today I want to show you a super useful trick for turning those long videos into wonderfully snackable shorts using a tool like this. If you have podcasts, interviews, lectures, or any form of long-form content just sitting in your digital drive gathering dust, I promise this process is going to feel like absolute magic. I have the application open already, so you can easily follow along with my specific steps. But even if you haven't started yet, I will personally walk you through the entire workflow from start to finish. So first things first, when you open the application, the initial interface that pops up for this specific clip-making workflow is surprisingly and refreshingly straightforward. Right up top, you will instantly see a clear indication of how much processing power or how many clips you are currently allowed to run based on your subscription plan, which is really useful information. Then there is a dedicated projects or history panel, where the system thoughtfully keeps all of the short clips it has already generated from your previous imports, ensuring you never lose track of your hard work. The large central area of the screen is precisely where you will drag and drop your source-long video file to begin the transformation process. Here's a real pro tip. This specific tool works absolutely best on talking head content, like podcasts, panel discussions, interviews, or solo commentary, because its audio analysis is specifically tuned to isolate those punchy moments and natural conversational peaks. Even so, the system still handles many other video formats quite respectably, but if your ultimate goal is the absolute highest hit rate for potentially viral clips, talking head videos remain the undeniable sweet spot. All right, team, let's officially go ahead and import one of those long videos right now to see the magic happen. When you choose your source material, try to select something that is at least a few minutes in length, with 3 minutes being a very solid minimum starting point. The software will then give you the helpful option to select just one specific segment to analyze, or you can simply give it the entire file and let it scan comprehensively for all the best moments. Whenever you are targeting platforms like YouTube Shorts, TikTok, or Instagram Reels, always remember the crucial requirement to aim for clips that stay comfortably under the 60-second threshold. The tool intrinsically understands platform fit, allowing you to select the exact desired maximum length, which forces it to prioritize edits that strictly adhere to that specific constraint. Once you finally hit that big go button, the system immediately springs into action and starts its intensive work. It diligently transcribes all the audio, meticulously analyzes that transcript for high emotional peaks, truly attention-grabbing lines, and any repetitive patterns, before finally extracting the segments most statistically likely to perform well. Crucially, it automatically reframes all the footage perfectly for those demanding vertical formats, intelligently centers on faces or important visuals, and even handles simple motion adjustments, so no key element is awkwardly cropped off-screen. In short, this entire process efficiently converts your dense long-form content into short, perfectly ready-to-post clips requiring minimal active babysitting from you. What I genuinely love about the output is that the tool doesn't just haphazardly spit out random snippets. It actually gives each newly generated clip a highly useful descriptive title for quick topic scanning. It also conveniently auto-generates accurate captions for every clip. And frankly, the default caption styles that come out of the box are actually quite decent looking. You have the power to easily toggle between several distinct visual looks, such as minimal, bold, or cinematic, and even tweak the exact timing if the initial auto-sync is off by just a single frame or two. This level of built-in control saves an absolutely massive amount of time when compared to the old days of manually typing out or painstakingly aligning every single subtitle entry. If you look at a clip and decide it is perfectly polished and ready to post immediately, you can initiate the export process right there from the main clip browser view. However, if you desire further fine-tuning, you simply click the Edit button, which opens a much more detailed editor where you can adjust the exact cuts, fully change caption styling, add professional overlays or logos, and drop in sound effects or backing music. Within that editor, there is a bunch of fantastic stylistic presets designed to make your clips immediately pop, featuring things like animated captions, energetic jump cuts, and subtle motion graphics that genuinely stop feed-scrolling fingers. Now, this is the specific area where this tool pulls significantly ahead of other tools that only handle simple clip extraction. Its specialized auto-editing viral clips engine is optimized to select parts based on proven engagement signals, not just arbitrarily loud moments. Practically speaking, that means the AI is specifically looking for genuine punchlines, strong, confident takes, and those pivotal moments that successfully raise curiosity or land a solid emotional punch on the viewer. And in real-world practice, utilizing this intelligent engine consistently gets you a demonstrably higher proportion of short clips that viewers actually complete watching and are compelled to share. Moving beyond the pure creative task of just making the clips, Vizard impressively includes a robust, hands-off auto-schedule feature. You simply set exactly how often you wish to post, Select all the relevant platforms you care about, and the onboard AI automatically lines up the content and publishes it live for you. This completely eliminates the tedious chore of manually uploading the exact same clip 5 separate times to 5 different platforms at 5 different scheduled moments. When you pair that fantastic scheduling with the content calendar, which acts as your single pane of glass for reviewing everything, editing captions, shifting times, and seeing what is queued, batch creation instantly becomes a realistic strategy instead of a dreadful weekend slog. Let me be completely honest for just a second. Yes, there are other tools out there that do parts of this job. Some only autoclip, others are just great editors, and a few offer basic scheduling. But most fail to combine all 3 critical pieces in one clean workflow. Many of those alternative options try to charge you on a per-clip basis or cleverly hide essential scheduling features behind a significantly more pricey subscription plan tier. Still others are awkwardly locked to a single desktop application or require a significant amount of frustrating manual reformatting just to make sure those vertical videos actually look polished. The entire compelling point of Vizard is to seamlessly bundle that superior clip selection intelligence, the necessary cross-platform scheduling, and the powerful calendar management all into one singular, intuitive place so creators can finally be consistent without completely burning out their energy. Now, getting back to the practical application. After the system generates that whole batch of clips, you should immediately scroll through them and watch the quick preview playback. You will very quickly notice that the tool often perfectly nails that specific headline moment, whether it's a sharp one-liner, a perfectly timed awkward laugh, or a significant emotional beat. And of course, it places captions right on top of it. And if that initial caption style isn't quite your preferred creative vibe, rest assured that changing it is an incredibly trivial, one-click process. If you want to incorporate your specific brand colors or add a small, non-intrusive subscribe call to action, you can easily drop those elements in and save it all as a reusable template so every single clip maintains a cohesive brand look. Here is one small but powerful workflow tip to optimize your time. Start by meticulously creating a single, perfect clip template that includes your caption style, exact logo position, and a subtle, consistent sound bed. Make sure you save that configuration immediately for future use. Then, when Vizard successfully generates 20 distinct clips from just one podcast episode, you can instantly apply that master template and export or schedule all 20 of them in one single bulk action. Honestly, implementing this simple little setup is proven to save you many, many hours whenever you are engaged in batch processing multiple episodes. Also important to note, the dedicated timeline edit environment provided by Vizard is extremely forgiving to user adjustments. If you feel the AI chose a cut that is only slightly off target, you retain the full power to easily shift the in and out points, nudge the caption synchronization, or manually reframe the entire shot composition. Furthermore, there are handy quick tools built in for adding engaging visual callouts, implementing simple but effective transitions, and even accessing a small music library for guaranteed royalty-safe backing tracks. For those creators who genuinely love to micro-edit the details, absolutely everything you might need is readily available. Yet for those seeking absolutely zero friction, the default automated output is typically immediately social-ready. Now let's pivot the conversation to actual outcomes. Consistently using a powerful system like this directly helps you put out a significantly higher volume of clips across all your active platforms, which is the proven formula for how most successful creators manage to grow. Think about it. Just one single long podcast episode has the potential to become an entire week's worth of engaging social content without you ever having to re-record anything or spend another agonizing hour deep in the editing bay. While this is certainly not a magic bullet guaranteeing instant virality, it absolutely stacks the deck strongly in your favor by dramatically increasing your vital posting frequency and ensuring you get the best content highlights out much faster. Taking a quick comparative look at something like CapCut's desktop tools, while CapCut is undeniably great for hands-on manual editing and has some AI features, its core function remains primarily that of a dedicated editor. It simply does not handle complex cross-platform scheduling or offer a centralized content calendar in the same seamless manner, often resulting in you doing significantly more manual labor just to batch and schedule all of your posts correctly. Then there are the other online clip extraction services, which frequently limit the total number of clips you can process or rigidly force you into using their completely inflexible templates. With this platform, you gain a true hybrid solution, combining smart clip selection intelligence, fully editable outputs, and integrated scheduling, making it exceptionally solid for creators who are focused on scaling their output without the immediate need to hire a full-time editor. Before I wrap up, here is a super quick 8-step checklist to get started with Vizard today. First, pick a good talking head episode over 3 minutes, then drop it in. Choose your platform duration under 60 seconds. Run the extract, skim the results, apply your template, and finally, schedule the keepers. And that, my friends, is literally the entire process from start to finish. It's that simple. In less than an hour of focused effort, you can transform one single long session into multiple polished, ready-to-go shorts and have them all scheduled across every major social platform. All right, everyone. Now I genuinely want to hear directly from you. What exactly would you immediately use this incredible tool for? Podcast highlights, quick tutorials, or maybe just funny outtakes? Drop a comment below and tell me precisely how you plan to repurpose your current video library. And if you are interested in seeing more advanced walkthroughs, like how to perfectly build a consistent posting cadence using the calendar or how to micro-edit captions for maximum viewer retention, please say so, and I will gladly prepare a full deep dive video. Thanks for watching or listening in today. If this walkthrough genuinely helped you save some valuable time, please hit subscribe right now, and I will keep bringing you more useful tools and streamlined workflows designed to help you save time and aggressively grow your channel. I will catch you all in the next video. And hey, go take one old episode and turn it into a whole week of fresh content. It is truly a low-key game changer for creators.